Hello guys, in this video you're going to learn how you can set TP1, TP2 and TP3 using ByBit. So this is something that I myself had struggled with, but I decided to share with you after I learned about it. So this is a trade that I've already opened. So this is Bell USDT, and even though I've set a stop loss and a take profit, okay, so but right now I'm just going to show you how you can set the tp1, tp2, tp3. So before we go into that, if you want to set the stop loss, okay, what you need to do is come to set TP and SL. So as you can see, my stop loss here, if you go to entire position, is what you're going to set if you just want to set the stop loss and take profit alone. That is the entire position. So for this one, you'll see that my stop loss is 1.5 and my take profit is 3.0. Now, if I take profit at 3.0, that means I'll make like 1,000 US dollars. All right. But if I stop loss at this, that means I'm going to lose $50. So I am risking $50 to make 1,000 US dollars. So that is just stop loss and take profit. But if you want to set your TP1, TP2, TP3, all of that, what you need to do is come to close by. So once you click on close by, then you go to limit. All right. So once you go to limit, so for example, if your TP1, maybe you've been given a TP1. So usually a TP1 will be like higher than your entry position. So for example, I entered, let me show you the position that I entered. So I entered the position at 1.5713. All right. So and this is a, buy, right? So, or long. So that means that my TP1 should be higher than 1.5713. So let's go to that, close by. So go to limit. So let's say that I want to take my profit at 1. Let's say 7. That is TP1, yeah? So it means that if I take profit at 1.7, I'm going to make a profit of $90. All right. So now what you need to do now, instead of putting this at 100, now your TP1, it depends on you. For example, if you want to take profit 3 times, that is TP1, TP2, and TP3, you can decide to take, let's say, 50% profit for the initial one. Then your TP2, you can take 15% profit, and your TP3, you can take another 15% profit, making everything 100%. So for this one, I can say something like, 50%. So it means that now let's go back to 100. Now you see the profit that that I will make at 1.7 is $90. But if I decide to change this to 50, it means that I will be taking $44, right? So by that time I've already taken my profit. Okay, so if the trade continues, that means that I will continue to make money, and then I can decide to now take the profit later. So let's say that I'm taking $44 at this time. So I'll just click on confirm. Right, so that means that I'll be taking profit at that time. Now if you want to take TP2, so what you can do is click on close by again and then go to limit. So let's say your TP2 is 2, right? 2. By the time the price of this coin has gotten to 2, right? That means your expected profit is supposed to be $301, dollars. So you can decide to take 50 again. That means you are taking $150. So click on, confirm again. Now, let's say you want to now take TP3, right? Click on close by again. So now your TP3 will now be the 100%. So let's say I'm taking my profit at 3, right? So I'm expected to make 1,000 US dollars, okay, by the time it gets to 3. So what you now do is leave it at 100, right? So I just click on confirm again. So that is how to take TP1, TP2, and TP3. I hope you learned something from this video. Okay, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I'm going to answer you. Okay.